Hey everybody out there in the YouTube world, it's your boy Dusty Diesel Technician back with another fun-filled tool review. Today we're going to be doing a part 2 video to my mini lathe project. Okay, now what I did was I made an adjustment. I had originally made a spade bit out of a nut driver, cut it with my Dremel, shaped it, and it was working cool, but I just noticed it was slipping too much and it was causing too much vibration. So I went on ahead and tried, just for experimental purposes, I tried the spade bit. Well, it was a good experiment and this thing works wonders. Okay, over here, this is a metal stake that I cut with the Dremel. I cut this in half with the Dremel tool. Okay. The other half of it is right here. And if you look on my video, I got a video of me cutting this thick piece of metal with my Dremel. Okay. Now, this is the tailstock. The tailstock slides back and forth. I keep this shim in there though, just so when I put it in here, it wedged tight and it don't kick back when the drill running. But that's my tailstock, but I keep that stationary because I rather slide this. This one has a slide mechanism here with the drill. The drill has a slide mechanism. Here is a bolt. I can tighten down when I don't need this to slide. If I need it to come closer, it can come closer. We slide it or whatever. But I want to make sure that's square. And we're going to do a demonstration. See how it runs. Okay. Trying this with one hand, y'all, so be patient with me. Okay, yeah. Now we're gonna tighten it down. Tighten it down. Okay. I mean, it runs good. Everything is intact. Everything runs good. Now, we're going to try something here. Got to test it out. We're going to get brand new chisel. Brand new inch chisel. We're going to try to work on this right here. Let's see if we can get that thing. Still gotta hold it because I haven't figured out the trigger mechanism yet, what I'm gonna do, so. So we got to work on, but we got it down a little. Me trying to do it with one hand, we got it down a little. As you can see, it works. So, you know, and then we can come with and polish it down with the sander or whatever afterwards. Sand it down, but you get the picture. Now, anybody got any ideas for the trigger latch, how I can keep the trigger down without having to go into the wires and all? I don't feel like doing all that. I just need something where I can latch it down, a mechanism where I can just latch it down and let it run. But Thanks for watching, man. I hope y'all found this informative. You know, it's still got a lot of work to do. I got to work on the vibration and things like that. But other than that, the mechanism is there. So this is my design. Then I made this with just scraps laying around. I didn't go buy no wood or nothing. I just got little pieces that was laying around and cut them up. So real inexpensive, cheap. I paid nothing. So I'm Dusty Diesel Technician. Y'all know my slogan. Subscribe. Keep me alive. Thanks for watching.